In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Clipboard on Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. Think of the clipboard as your short-term memory for copy and paste. Clipboard History takes that a step further by keeping a list of what you've copied, so you can reuse recent items without copying them again. It's a small feature that saves a lot of time when you're working across apps, documents, or the web. To open it instantly, press the Windows key plus V on your keyboard. The Windows key has the four squares logo and sits near the spacebar on most keyboards. You can do this from any screen. When the panel opens for the first time and history is off, click Turn On. That enables Windows to temporarily store your copied items so you can pick from them later. It's stored on your device and can include text and small images. If you ever prefer not to keep a history, you can turn it off later, but we won't cover that here. Once enabled, pressing Windows plus V shows the clipboard panel anywhere in Windows, on the desktop, in a browser, in a document, or a chat. You'll see a tidy list of your most recent copied items, with the newest at the top. Text snippets appear as a short preview, images show as small thumbnails, other copied elements like links appear with an icon. Scroll the panel to look back through your recent copies. This view is just a selector. It doesn't change anything until you choose an item. When you're ready to paste, first click into the app or document where you want the content to go and place your typing cursor exactly where you want it. Then in the clipboard panel, click the item you need. Windows immediately pastes it into your current app right where the cursor sits. If you don't see the paste, make sure the target app is active and your cursor is inside a text box or an editable area. Some apps accept only text. If you choose an image in those, Windows may paste the image's link or nothing at all. If Clipboard History doesn't appear when you press Windows plus V, or it opens but won't paste, the simplest fix is to restart your PC. A quick reboot refreshes background services that power the clipboard panel. After your computer comes back up, return to your work, press Windows plus V again, and click Turn On if you're prompted. That's all you need to start using Clipboard History on Windows 11.